Welcome to my channel. Today I'm not wasting any time and directly proceeding to the topic, today's topic, which is different types of pronouns. Last to last session I explained you what pronouns are. So the words which are used instead of noun are pronouns. And today I'm going to brief you about the different types of pronouns, right? The first type of pronoun which I'm going to explain is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun refers to a specific person or thing. So when we are specifying a particular person or an object, जब हम किसी एक इंसान या एक ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, that is personal pronoun. Okay, so the word which we are using for that particular person or an object is not noun but pronoun, right? For example, I am giving you I, you, okay, me, then these, he, she, okay. So these are personal pronouns. Why? Because we are referring to a particular person, it. We are referring to a particular object. So जब भी हम किसी एक इंसान या एक ऑब्जेक्ट या किसी एक स्पेसिफिक चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं, so the pronoun which we use in that case is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun are of three types: first person, second person and third person. First person is the person who is speaking. In my case, I am the first person because I am speaking. So first person pronoun is I, right? Because I am speaking, I am the first person who is speaking. Whereas if we take a plural case of the first person, यदि हम बात कर रहे हैं, then it becomes we. Okay? So personal pronoun first person is the person who is speaking, जो बात कर रहा है, right? Or if I am speaking, I is the first person singular and we is the first person plural, right? या तो मैं बात कर रही हूँ या हम बात कर रहे हैं. Then we come to the second person. Second person is the person to whom the speaker is speaking. Okay? So second person, I am talking to you. So you are the second person. In singular case also the second person is you. In plural case also the second person is you. Whereas third person is the person about whom I am speaking, right? जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So in singular, third person is he, she, it, right? In plural, third person is they. So if I am speaking to you, I'll say I saw him, okay, running very fast. So I, first person, and in this sentence the third person is he. Okay, they saw them dancing. So we saw them dancing. So we, first person, and them becomes the third person. Okay, so first person, second person and third person. Clear? First person, the person who is speaking. Second person is the person to whom the first person is speaking. And the third person is about whom the first person is speaking. Correct? So these were the personal pronouns. So I, you, he, she, it, all these are personal pronouns. जब हम किसी एक के बारे में बात करें, either about the speaker or about the person to whom is he speaking or about whom the speaker is speaking about whom, right? Now the second type is possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show possession, right? किसका है, whose object it is. So if I say this is my house, so my is the possessive pronoun, right? This is his bag, so his is the possessive pronoun, right? It is their goat, right? So there is the possessive pronoun. Have you kept your pencil somewhere? So your possessive pronoun. Kiska hai? The word that answers whose, your, mine, his, her, okay, hers, theirs. These are possessive pronouns which explain, which answer the question whose. Batata hai kiska. Correct? Then we come to the third type of pronoun, which is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun does not specify a particular person or a particular object. Right? If we are saying every one of us has passed the examination, so I'm not mentioning a particular person, I'm just mentioning everyone, so it is indefinite, right? Anybody can go to the temple, so again I'm not mentioning anyone specific, I'm saying anyone can go to the temple, right? So these are indefinite pronouns in which we are not mentioning one particular person or object. Other indefinite pronouns are everyone, okay, anything, all, some, which does not mention a particular person, right? Then the fourth type is relative pronoun, which shows the relation, okay? Like if I'm saying the driver who ran away was caught by the police, so I'm mentioning the relation, right? The driver who ran away. I'm not mentioning any common driver. I'm talking about a particular driver who ran away. So it shows the relation. Somewhere he has done something, and you also know that, and I also know that, right? The flowers that were red were broken. Okay, so the flowers that were red. So again, that is the relative pronoun. Then another sentence, I don't know which pair of shoes you have lost. So which pair of shoes? Kaun sa? So which, then whom, okay, which shows the relation. Which, who, whom, right? All these pronouns are relative pronouns. Okay, the girls, those girls who were wearing yellow. So those girls who wear again, who is the relative pronoun, right? So in these cases, who is not mentioning a question, who is showing a relation, right? Because when you will go through interrogative pronoun, you will come to know who, whom, whose, what, where, all these are interrogative pronouns. But in those sentences, who will be used to answer question, whereas in relative pronouns, it is used to show a relation, right? Then we come to demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are those pronouns which points something, which points out an object. Okay, so this house is mine. Okay, I went to school from this way, by this way. Okay, then my friend came to my house. Okay, my friend came to that house. So this, that, those, these, all these are pointing something, which is called demonstrative pronouns. These pens are mine. Okay, those balls belong to Mohan. So these, those, that, this, all these are demonstrative pronouns, right? जो point करता है, ये, वो, right? Then we come to interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns pose a question, as I told you a bit earlier. Who, whom, whose, okay, where, what, all these interrogate, they pose a question, and these are interrogative pronouns. But in these cases, these who, whose, whom will not show a relation. It will show a question, it will pose a question. So Who, whose, whom, where, what, all these are interrogative pronouns. Lastly, we come to reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are pronouns where it is used when the subject and the object of a sentence refer to the same person. I did my homework myself. So I'm talking about myself, same person. Okay. He completed the work himself. Okay. They climbed the mountain themselves. So they themselves referring to the same group of people. He himself referring to the same person. And I myself refers to the same person again. So these are reflexive pronouns which refer to the same person. Okay. I hope different types of pronouns are clear to you. Any issue, any confusion, you can text me. I'll brief you again. I'll recapitulate with you. I hope you enjoyed this video of mine. Thank you very much for watching my videos. And any issue with this topic also you can mention in my next session. I'll recapitulate them, those topics. Thank you so much.